In today's video, we're going to share with you what you need to know before buying cladding, so you can make the right decision before hitting go. Cladding is a decorative design which can be used in your home. It has largely replaced tiles in recent years because it costs less and it's easy to install. It also comes in a variety of beautiful designs, many far more remarkable than tiles. Cladding was designed to be used internally in different parts of your home as a beautiful and more cost-effective alternative to tiles. This appeals to those who want to avoid paying out lots of money. One of the most attractive features of cladding is how easy it is to install. It takes less than half the time of tiles, and it can be done by you or I with no experience. We have made an easy to follow step-by-step guide showing you the easy way to install cladding and save yourself money. If you would like to benefit from this, simply click the link showing at the top of the video now. There are a few important things that you need to know before you go ahead and buy your cladding. The first thing is, how many cladding panels will you need? This is important so that you don't get too many or perhaps not enough. CladTech have made this super easy. All you have to do is go and visit our calculator, which works everything out for you. You can simply measure the height and the width of your walls and add the measurements into the calculator here, and then the calculator does the rest for you. So you've watched our video on how to install the cladding. Now you need to know what tools you need. We have made a short, straight to the point video showing you the tools you will need and what you will use them for. If you want to benefit from this, click the link showing at the top of the video now. You now know how to install the panels, how many panels you need, and what tools you need for the job. Now comes the fun part. Being the UK's leading innovators and cladding specialists, here at CladTech we have created beautiful cladding designs for every home, big or small. Our huge range of cladding is designed to specifically meet your requirements. Here you can see our designs close up. They are sorted into different finishes, different colours and sizes. So if it's luxury and decadent finish you want, or sparkling eye-catching design, or maybe you want something that's modern and contemporary, you have all the choice right here in one place, just a click away. If you have any further questions, you can contact our customer service team on the Contact Us page, and they will be happy to help you with any questions that you may have. We hope you've enjoyed this cladding buying guide and that you now feel ready to choose the right cladding for your home. We want to thank you for watching this video, and if you're new here, consider hitting the subscribe button to join our community of DIYers.